Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at these semiconductors going through the sinkhole, guys. Wow, what's going on in the semiconductors? Nvidia just like after we had a flush yesterday, as I was talking about that this week we would be running into flushes and the weakness as it's coming in Nvidia. Now today this thing has just fallen off the cliff. I mean, not just Nvidia, like AMD is like just going down as if there is no coming back tomorrow, right? And so let's take a look at all these semiconductors. We'll start off with Nvidia and then we'll go over AMD, ARM, Broadcom, TSM. Oh, if time allows, I'll do TSM, SMCI, and Micron definitely, and Intel also. Intel is positive, so yeah, we'll take a look at Intel as well in this video. Now, for QQ and SPY, another video will be coming out later after Nvidia, but if time allows, I'll show you real quick as well, SPY and QQ for the technicals. But all right, so guys, with that, let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. All right. So if you have been following my videos, Nvidia, I expected the flush, right? That was the flush yesterday, and I talked about this week will be most likely heading down in the direction of 117 as soon as we lose this 108 and 28 and start to dip into this blue box. Down here, you can go and check out my videos, and we are in pretty much very close to that, this next level, 117. A little bit getting bought back up, but is this strong strength enough that we can continue higher from here? Well, we'll see how the market closes first. That will be in 5 hours from now. This is morning update, but we will still be able to identify all the price action from, you know, how to look at it right over here, right? But so this is the next level, 117 on Nvidia, that I have been saying that this is where, I mean, the next level that will come down to, right? Once we start to lose this 128. Now, this is where 50 days moving average most, it will coincide with that significant level. And then if we eventually lose 50 days moving average with the 117, then we are looking at the direction of $106. I mean, don't get me wrong, in my dividend portfolio, I would like to buy YNVD, that is the dividend ETF, but about that I cover in my dividend investing channel, and link to that channel is in the description below of this video as well. Now, yes, Nvidia is in the downtrend, right? We lost this pivot over here, these pivots that we were going, we lost this pivot yesterday, and then thereafter this has become full-on bearish, right? It is in the downtrend. And so we have, you know, these pivots in action now, lower pivots, because we lost this time horizon higher pivots, right, of the higher lows. So those are gone. These are activated after losing 120. These lower pivots are activated, and so far we are just following the direction. Now, yes, we are seeing some right now buying happening, but this like a little bit of wick coming down here, right? And this has also to do with this previous demand zone here, right? But is this strong enough, right? Let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about that. So don't get me wrong, this is a good wick candle, but in my opinion, sure, if any rebound has to come intraday, that rebound, even if it comes to 123, but if we stay below 123, that will still be just a rebound in the downtrend. All right, until then this is not becoming bullish though fully. Yes, intraday rebound may continue higher until 123 if this continues to hold, and for that the things that you have to watch is, right, there are a couple of things that I provide as through my tools that you can see at these levels is forming these pivots, right, one of the intraday levels. So you can see some rebound is coming next to our day trading levels plus, but I would say this is just more of a safer a rebound only, and if we get above this level of 120, some more intraday rebound may come, but have a stop loss on the other side. Okay, but as long as if we still, even if let's say we come back up to 123, that will not change the structure for it to bullishness. Okay, I would say one rebound action has already happened. When you're trading against the trend, right, in this case from the downtrend, this rebound is coming. It's only a scalp play. It's not like intraday you can just hold on forever unless those levels continues to confirm to break to the upside and then next level activates. But yeah, so far this will be just a rebound, guys, until 123. If that happens, it won't change the structure bullish. That will just be a rebound, and then we'll see eventually how the day closes. If it closes above 123, we, you know, bulls can still turn it around. But if we close below 123 on Nvidia, things may not look right, and yeah, we might stay weak. But yeah, $117 level, we came very close. That was the target that I was having for this week. We got that, and then much more downside would be now only after if we lose 50 days moving average as well, the big one, and then that will open up the doors to $106. All right, so that's that. So that's Nvidia, guys, and let's take a look at AMD. It's like free falling, and AMD, yeah, like yes, I did say all of it that I expect red days on AMD this week, but I didn't expect this massive of a red day, like this completely like a collapse on AMD, right? So we, yes, until yesterday, yes, those red days were coming, but until then, structure was still bullish, and on the other side of the structure, you have to have a stop loss. The problem is that we lost the level of 171 with 20 days moving average. It's no longer bullish. Yeah, structure is no longer bullish, guys, and we lost the areas of these pivots. Even this pivot we lost, and also we also lost this another recent pivot area of 166. So it's not bullish anymore. All right, and on the other side of the structure, as I always say, you have to have a stop loss and take partial profits in the extensions, right? And those were the times. And yeah, then as I said, I was expecting red days, and yeah, but today's red day, like it also changes the structure. All right, it's bearish. Now the next more leg to the downside would be to 200 days moving average if we continue to lose this a level of 162 and 58 cents. If from here it has to become bullish, well, it has to first get above 20 days moving average, right? Let's take a look at hourly interval for AMD. Yeah, right now I'm not like on AMD, oh sorry, on Nvidia, we saw some sign of that buying coming in on the wick candle and all of that, right? On AMD, I don't even see any of that right now. Like this is in a free fall right now. There is not even a single sign of buying coming back in this thing. Yeah, this thing is really broken, guys, right now. Yeah, stay away from it until you see any price action showing some strength on it. All right. All right, ARM. So finally, looks like it's cracked below that blue box, and below the blue box was the structural change, right? And we lost the 20 days moving average. So definitely, this is one of the levels, significant important levels, 163 and 89 cents. This is where the pivot is. But right now, I'm not seeing any strong reaction here that tells me that it's going to go up from here. The next level you are watching is the level of if we lose 163 and 91 cents, it opens up the door to 149 and 76 cents. Yes, structure is broken right now, and it can continue lower unless and until it's about it. If it can, unless and until it regains back to the upside. But looks like that is not happening, and we are constantly also being in this lower highs, right? Intraday upside has been coming, that's fine, but I have been saying structure is getting weaker. We are in the lower highs, and we are below 200 hours moving average today as well. And yeah, right now I'm not seeing at this significant level any buying pressure coming in. Don't buy blindly. You have to see the price action hold here, consolidation, support, and things like that, double bottom, higher pivots, and then only some rebound may come. All right, like intraday rebounds in this downtrend, right? So, but right now I'm not seeing any sign of that as well. All right, that's ARM. Yeah, structure on this is broken, guys. Broadcom, so seems like it has also sunk below 20 days moving average, and that was pretty much it what I talked about. If it cracks below 20 days moving average, it can go lower. Yeah, that's what it is pretty much. SMCI and SMCI, guys, this one was, I already was telling you guys, this is not a buy anymore. Since the time we lost this level of 910, and since then it has been just a downside play. The upside play was only from this breakout back again to the upside, this areas that I provided you, 938 and this supply zone to watch. That was the only upside. Once we came back down and lost this level of 911 area, that was it. There was no pivot holding, and you can see SMCI has been just cracking lower. yeah, it's in the downtrend right now fully again as well. And yeah, now you're watching the levels to the downside. Yeah, and on hourly interval, yeah, once we lost 200 hours moving average, that was it, right? That's what I talked about yesterday video as well, and it's just been plummeting. Right now I'm not seeing any buying coming in on this candle. If it can host a significant level, it will be only intraday rebound though with some confidence, only if it holds this level. Right now it's too early in my opinion. It's not strong enough. In the reversal, you need to see another green, at least a green candle or a candle that holds the structure. Then a little bit of rebound may come, but rebound only, nothing more than that. It's not going to make it bullish though. But yeah, so stay with the structures to the downside. Just take profits in the extensions, all right? Micron. So as I said, yes, we lost 50 days moving average structures to the downside on Micron, and the next level definite, well, it came quite quickly. Like these semiconductors came down quite quickly. It came down to 122. Guys, any rebound, if it continues to give until 127, that will be just a rebound in the downtrend though. It's in the downtrend, all right? Once we lost the 50 days moving average, it's in the downtrend. Yeah, trying to a little bit, you know, after that such a massive fall, it's trying to a little bit hold on, but yeah, not, I don't see this being a strong hold though. I think it's right now it's still weak. All right, let's take a look at TSM and then we'll see Intel, because Intel is green. All right, TSM also broke below 20 days moving average, right? Structure is broken. Again, like, look, this is a big gap, right? Like if these things get bought back up tomorrow, it won't become just full on bullish. It will just most likely go for the gap fill, but lower end of the gap will be a resistance across all these semiconductors, okay? Including Nvidia and all these semiconductors, AMD that we have talked about. Okay, Intel said, okay, you all are falling, I'm going to go up, but then it's also selling off up there. Intel, as I have said, just if you can build the position between these red lines, like Intel is a long-term stock technically if you want to buy into it, but anything below 32 is just get out, not to hold any position. So yeah, it's just doing its thing. A little bit goes up and it's selling off as well up there, but yeah, I won't put all the money in Intel. Like I don't even trade Intel technically. I'm just covering here because it's a semiconductor. But yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't trade Intel, guys. All right. So that's that, guys, for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and you can see Nvidia is already again selling off after that little bit of rebound that came all the way to our day trading level plus. So if I take you back here, yeah, this little bit of rebound came to our day trading levels plus and it's selling off already. So that was that. Yeah. No. All right, let's just, before wrapping up, let's see SPY and QQQ, and you can see what a massive fall today. So SPY, I will be doing another video with the tech stocks today, but technically structure is not broken fully yet. All right, yes, sell-off is happening on SPY, but structure is not fully broken to the downside. Unlike on QQQ structure is broken. We lost the blue box, lost the 20 days moving average. Yeah, that was it. So let's see if the cool off continues, or this is a sell-off now though. So the next level you are watching to the downside is 476, structure is lost. All right. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye. And if you need access to my tools that does these levels automatically, everything, all right, links to my tools are in the description below. Bye.